to devalue their currency, Bitcoin wins. In the world of fiat currencies, Bitcoin is the victor.
I mean, that's part of the bull case for Bitcoin.
If you're not paying attention, you probably should be.
Because we saw a bunch of them. I mean, God, we had over the last 2 weeks a bunch of representatives from the cryptocurrency industry on Capitol Hill, as well as the Fed meeting as well. On the Congress had Jerome Powell to ask him a bunch of questions. So there's certainly a lot of confusion on Capitol Hill, particularly about what's going on out there. I mean, you had Elizabeth Warren like saying that DeFi is going to destroy capital markets and the financial system. Then you had Powell come out and say, hey, I actually like stable coins. And no, I don't think like Bitcoin's a systemic risk. And there was just a lot of conflicting viewpoints, at least from what I saw coming out of Capitol Hill.
As is tradition.
Yes, and then you had the shitcoiners getting on there, and they're slimy slimy motherfuckers. I called it this week. I think SBF. He's going to be the Jihan Wu of this cycle. He's going to. I mean, FTX.
I don't know about that.
They've got arenas. No, he owns a shit ton of Solana.
In what way is he going to be Jihan?
I mean, he's going to try and use his position as like the darling of the exchange arena to try to force people away from Bitcoin, and it's going to backfire. Like he was on Capitol Hill saying we should move to something like Solana because it's proof of stake, it's better for the environment. He blocked me months ago because I called him out when he started like trying to push that narrative forward. So Sam, if you're listening, I'd love to have you on.
I guess there's some similarities with Jihan.
Yeah, so look, pull this up. The environmental impact.
There's a bunch of reasons they're different, right?
Yes. Proof of work networks. I mean, is it though?
Jihan was, basically the lead of the majority of Bitcoin miners. Had a massive investment and influence in the Bitcoin space. Put all of his balls on the table in like an outward fork attack on Bitcoin and lost a ton of money and influence. It was like the main ASIC manufacturer at the time. Like SBF's influence over Bitcoin is rather minimal in comparison.
Significant trading liquidity.
Like Jihan was internal.
Yeah, I guess there's there's probably better analogies for individuals, but maybe he'll be his own.
And Jihan got absolutely wrecked. Do you think SBF is going to get absolutely wrecked?
I don't know. We'll see.
The richest under 30 and
yeah, he's donating a lot. He's donating a lot to the big guy. We know that. But yeah, this is. I mean, we'll see. It's yet to be seen. Much more successful than me.
I would prefer if shitcoiners didn't use this energy bullshit.
Yeah, pull that back up, Carl. We're going to read it to the people. So this is like what he's running with. Proof of work networks require substantially larger energy consumption than proof of stake networks. We aim to incentivize our customers to utilize blockchain technology with the lowest energy usage and therefore the smallest impact on the environment. A single Solana transaction requires about the same amount of energy as 2 Google searches. Empirically, based on our analysis of our customers' actual activity, more than 80% of the blockchain transactions originating from FTX occur on proof-of-stake blockchains. So
that's what I'm saying. He's saying 80% of the transactions.
Yeah, but it's like
it's a perfect example that he doesn't have that much. He's not that involved with Bitcoin. Like he probably holds his savings in Bitcoin.
He's going to attack Bitcoin. He already is attacking Bitcoin. You want to consider this an attack?
It's like more of an external attack than an internal attack.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I mean, we're fighting over semantics of the particular.
Jihan hits different, Marty. Jihan hits different. We have a bunch of freaks that are here that weren't there for the Jihan days.
Fuck your mother if you want to fuck.
Better metaphor, that's all.
Okay, all right, better metaphor. Yeah, I'll think about it. Think on it.
But yeah, this energy bullshit is tired and old.
Yeah, we talked about this last week too.
Disproven.
The shitcoiners like, oh, we're all in this together. We're like competing. We're gonna uplift. We need to work together. Like we like Bitcoin, and then like behind your back, they're like, Bitcoin's destroying the environment. Come buy my shitcoin, which I own 80% of, or something.
Exactly.
Yeah. So be aware, freaks. Be aware. Those attacks are gonna come. As we move forward, it's going to heat up. There's going to be a lot of noise.
Jihan didn't have a Super Bowl commercial.
No, he probably wanted one though. Yeah. I mean, this guy's buying influence. He got the stadiums, the commercials, the politicians.
Yeah, I see similarities.
Very fiat mindset, if you will. And he doesn't know how to tie his shoes. A lot of people.
He's fucking killed it though.
Is that Arthur? Yeah.
Yeah. No, I can't see.
Yeah, Chad Arthur versus the billionaire virgin, FTX.
BitMEX is just full. BitMEX is just full KYC now. It's
sad
when
to
did
see.
that happen? I forget. Has it been like 8 months now or something?
It's
10
been
months?
quite a while. Quite a while.
The end of an era. I guess it's been a year. It was like fall of last year, maybe.
Yeah.
Time fucking both flies and just that feels like a decade ago.
Yeah. Time drags when the price consolidates like it has over the last few weeks.